Welcome to our channel. Today we how to uninstall Authy from Android and remove device association, beginner guide step by step clearly. To uninstall Authy from your Android device, begin by locating the Authy app icon on your home screen or in your app drawer. Tap and hold the Authy app icon until a menu appears. In this menu, select the option that says Uninstall. You may see a confirmation prompt asking if you want to uninstall the application. Tap OK or Uninstall to proceed. The uninstallation process will begin, and the app will be removed from your device. Next, to remove your device association from Authy, open a web browser on your computer or another device. Type in the URL, authy.com, and press Enter to navigate to the Authy website. Click on the Login option to enter your account using the phone number associated with your Authy account. You will receive a verification code on your Authy app or your backup method. Enter the verification code in the required field on the website. Once logged in, look for a section titled Devices or Manage Devices. Here, you will see a list of devices associated with your Authy account. Identify the device you wish to remove. Click on the option to remove or dissociate that device. Confirm your choice when prompted to ensure the device is removed from your account. After completing these steps, the Authy app will be uninstalled, and your device will no longer be associated with your Authy account. You have successfully uninstalled Authy and removed device association. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security email. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.